Well, hey there, I'm not Dan, but in this video, I'm gonna blow up a gummy bear. It's... Well, welcome back for one of my favorite demos to perform. Now, in my own classes, anytime I do a demo, I usually ask my students to do something called a 3-2-1, where they write down 3 observations, 2 things that they think are interesting, and then 1 question that they have. So while you may not necessarily be writing everything down for this particular video, I would still at least encourage you to make observations and then to just simply ask questions about what you're seeing, right? This is how we learn. Okay, so let me tell you what I've got going on here. So in the test tube here, I have some potassium chlorate, which is a very strong oxidizer, and I'm going to heat it up and, until it melts, and once it's nice and ready, we're gonna drop in a gummy bear, which is full of sugar. And when potassium chlorate meets sugar, well, you'll see what happens. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna get things going. All right, and now we're gonna do a little bit of a time jump to let this melt. All right, so now the potassium chlorate has all completely melted. I'm gonna turn off the fire. I'm gonna grab my gummy bear, but first, cue the music. Oh my goodness, isn't that awesome? That is one of my most favorite reactions. I love watching that. So, what did you guys notice? Did you happen to see the purple flame, the pinkish purplish flame that was there in the test tube? Do you know what that is? Well, for a hint, I'll actually put a link below in one of my other videos that actually describes exactly what's going on there. All right, so woo, all sorts of stuff coming out of that. It's great fun. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I also want to give a big thanks to my friend Uncle Book, who let me use his track for this particular video. And I'm going to put a description below for you guys to go support him. He's one of my best friends. I actually helped him produce that particular album. So you can find his music on Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, anywhere music can be found. So Uncle Book and the Jalapeno Overdrive. Alright, that's it from me. Remember, I'm not Dan, and neither are you. Check you later.